The A&D market is in a Goldilocks little place. Interest rates are high. Financial buyers truly are unable to pay top dollar like they used to before. I mean, that really is true, but they can still pay a good price. The strategic buyers are obviously able to take advantage of the market. What's going on in A&D is we are in a supply-demand spot that we really don't see very often. Yep. The nice thing about A&D is they're usually uncorrelated.
Right.
The reason I like having an A&D book is that when the A is up, the D is down, the D is up, the A is down, right? Mm-hmm. And so, you can argue that, defense is really a geopolitical issue. Is there tension in the world? Who's the party in power? That drives defense.
Mm-hmm.
And commercial is all about the economy. Are businesses paying for business travel and do leisure travelers want to fly, right? So oftentimes those are uncorrelated, which makes it sort of a nice place for us to be.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, they're correlated. Not that they are moving with each other for any reason,
right?
But they're both up. I mean, Airbus today just announced they're going to ramp up production again.
Right.
And they're already at massive production. And I'm not even sure their supply base can handle it, but that's a different issue. Okay. But it's sort of related because when supply exceeds demand, what happens to pricing? Right. Gee, well, see if I remember what happens. Supply doesn't equal demand. I think prices go up.
Right.
Last I checked, right?
Yep.
So the supply chain is making money and it's growing. Okay. Now it came off some tough years with COVID, but I mean, if you look at comparables of like 21 and 2 or 22 to 21 and forecasted 23 to 21, and you look at last quarter versus 2 years ago, I mean, we're up triple digit, Craig, right? Yep. Which obviously is unfair because of COVID. So the commercial aviation marketplace is a very attractive place to invest.